Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not go away without clicking on the subscribe button down below, and do click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, welcome to another episode of Juicy Sundays. Yeah, I know I have missed a lot on Juicy Sundays, like 2 Sundays now I haven't uploaded. Like I said, we are all on lockdown and there's no juicy gossip at the moment, so it's not easy to get gist to present to you guys here. But today I'm bringing to you something that bothers me. It's something that's been bothering me, and I said I have to say it out here on Juicy Sundays. Yes, it is about this thing going on in the whole world, you know, this Mr. Koro. You guys understand what I mean? You know, we don't pronounce the name. This Covik 199. Yes, it's about it. And what do I have to say about Covik 199? Yeah, the things going on back in my country, Nigeria, I don't really like it. Yes, they've been on lockdown for a while now, and there wasn't any provision for people so they can stay home, because you know many people back home in Nigeria especially, they depend on daily pay to feed their families. So this lockdown is really telling much on them. So I am not blaming them when they say they can't stay on lockdown, but also they have to understand it's for their own good to curb this thing so it doesn't go wide. That is why this lockdown is on. But at the same time, kudos to some organizations and few members of the public who are trying to help people out with relief packages during this time. Yes, there are a lot of organizations. Toronto DK organization for one, I applaud that woman. She might not be the best to many people, but she has a heart of gold. She has done a lot for many people in Nigeria by giving them relief packages during this hard time and all that. And yeah, some people are really benefiting from it. They can only do what they can do. But the part that is annoying me now, that made me bring up this topic today, is some of my greedy brothers and sisters, some greedy Nigerians. Maybe it happens in other countries too, but this I'm talking about my country, what happened there concerning these relief packages. I am not happy at all. There's a video that is going viral on Instagram whereby some of these relief packages that were sent to a place called Ikorodu were hijacked. Like the driver of the vehicle containing these relief packages was manhandled. I think his phone was stolen and all that, even the staff with him. And they started looting these relief packages meant for the masses, meant for the people of the area, but some set of people started looting, and this happened in an area called Ikorodu in Lagos, and it was really annoying. Guys, let me not talk too much. I will show you the video that has been going viral on Instagram where these people were looting stuff meant for everybody. So guys, you tell me if this behavior is good. Is this not wickedness? Is this pure wickedness or greediness, or what should I call it? Well, let's watch the video. In case you are wondering or you like my hat, do you know what? Let me show you a secret, guys. Ta-da! It's a wig hat. So guys, I'm using this opportunity to tell you that I have this video up on my channel. In case you have not seen it, I will leave the link in my description box. How to make a wig hat. See? For any bad hair day, just carry a wig hat and ta-da! You're good to go. So let's get back to the topic. See what they are doing. See this woman. This is somebody's mother. See. They want to injure themselves. Is this not greediness? Jesus Christ. See. They are looting. They couldn't even wait for it to be shared. I'm really disappointed. Even eggs. See, look at that young girl. Checking my head. This is not fair. Oh my God! See. This one is. I think this one is struggling to stay phone. See the driver. This is really sad, guys.
Can you see them?
At Ikorodu. Guys, I am really disappointed in these people. This is a relief package meant to cater for almost everybody in that area, and the person that did it from their hearts, and a group of people tried to loot it. And not only that, they tried to manhandle the driver. They stole his phone, from what I heard, and all that. And the staff that were there to distribute these things were treated badly. It's not nice. This is not a time to steal. This is time to help each other. We're in trying times. How can a group of people just do this? So others that had the mind of doing stuff like this, now they'll be scared to go to that area. Yes, because I don't understand. How do people even think? Guys, this is baffling. Okay, they are complaining that their government or whatever didn't help. Okay, individuals are trying to help, and this is what they do. So what will motivate other people to come and do the same thing now? Because they don't want to get in trouble, they don't want to be injured, they don't want to be manhandled, they don't want to be stolen from and all that. See what is happening. So guys, I'm really sad about this whole thing. I just hope this whole thing just ends soon and everybody go back to their normal life, because now I heard this lockdown will be lifted soon. I think even tomorrow, May 4th or so. And when it is lifted, guys, what will happen? This thing will go wow, viral, wow, because people don't listen. People don't listen. What we just have to do this time is to be each other's brother's keeper. Try to help those you can help, but see the ones they are trying to help, see what they are doing. Is this right? Guys, please, we should all think sometimes. I know this doesn't happen only in my country, I know it happens in other places too, but I think since this concerns me, concerns my country, I just wanted to put it out that it is not right. So guys, this too shall pass very soon. We'll all look back on it and smile. But this period has taught us a lesson that nobody is above anything, rich, poor, or whatever. We are all in the same level. So we should just try to be kind and nice to each other. Change your ways, be good, support those you can support, help those you can help. And please do stay safe out there. Even when the lockdown is lifted, you never can tell. This thing is still on. There is no cure yet. Just try to stay safe, protect yourself, do the usual preventive measures, and let's leave the rest for God. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. This is all I just wanted to put out to you guys, to show you what is going on and how sad I am about all this. And kudos to foundations like Tonto Dike and the rest who are really helping at this period. God bless you all. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video interesting and you learned something from it. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.